Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. The noise is a little bit annoying. Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. Look at this beautiful Martine. And I am about to do some shipping, and then I found that I run out of cards. Some friends say that the cards is even better than than the thing I sell. So I was thinking maybe I should do some of these cards, and my family is in the kitchen making some sound. I need to be quiet. So when there is people in any place, I have my solution, that is do something else. When there is nobody, I can have my time, as if then I can be totally free. People are different. That's my style. 善思, this is kind thoughts. So there is really not a particular location you have to put on left or right. I am choosing to balance it. So a little bit on the right side. And bamboo I always paint on the bit left side, so on the right I leave some room. This one I may put it here. See? And this one I definitely can put it on the left. This one, so I wanted to ship out immediately, and then I was thinking, why in a rush, right? It is important that we enjoy our life and we give ourselves the luxury, the decency of each piece of work. We need to respect it, right? So I am not, this is not good looking. So I am not in a rush. Let me just, this is disrespect if I send it out. So at least see, sometimes the brush is not good. Maybe I can take this opportunity to talk about the brush. So this one I use this outline brush. This outline brush, it's open up so it does not show up because it's dried, but the edge is so much sharper, right? And it is always good to have some decoration on top of it. Maybe I shall do some splash later on for this. And for now I am doing this 3. And those a little bit rough ones, where did I put them? Yeah, these ones I use a much larger brush, so it does not work that delicate. Okay, so just do some things, and when my family finished dinner or lunch or breakfast, I can do my stuff. Let's do this 3. I only have 3 of them. Not in a rush, because it does not help to be in a rush, right? It just does not help. So give yourself the time, give myself the time, the luxury to do one thing at a time, to not stress out. So one friend mentioned about Haiyin. Would you talk about confidence? She's starting something and would like that I blah 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 about confidence. So I was thinking about it, and suddenly I feel fear is my guardian angel. Maybe we can just elaborate a little bit on it. Confidence does not come from speaking, from doing. I do not have confidence when I know I am not good enough. So it keeps us humble, right? We fear. We do not have confidence if we are not good. Only when we do it time and time again can we build up that confidence. And that confidence is very true, very real. It comes from the accumulation of your effort, of your learning, of your practice, right? So whenever, if we treat confidence just as any other element in our life, that is a little bit too spiritual. I do not know why I say this. If we are not afraid of things and allow ourselves to be not confident, I feel it gives us the opportunity to be more real and to improve ourselves. What I'm talking about, I do not even know what I am talking about. I'm a little bit lost myself. And let's just let ourselves flow with whatever is coming to our mind, not stressed out about confidence or not confidence, just go with the flow. It is absolutely a careless whisper. I have not thought about any of this. I am sorry, I feel so bad. Let's just do some random chat and do not give ourselves too much pressure. Let's see, I need to splash it. Let me just splash it. And oh, I am so sorry. so sorry. Let me just do my stuff. Sometimes I feel that when I try hard, the result is not even as good as not even trying. Some blue on it. So, for example, for the splash, I have one student in my class. Every time he does splash, because he does so much splash, so he became very, very good at splash. And sometimes he give his splash to me. Splash painting. Know what? Because he was not confident with himself to paint something. So every time I said, okay, you can do some splash. And then he started to do splash time and time again. He get the most even, most colorful, and most fascinating splash, because he does it so, he did so many splash, it becomes part of his natural flow. He just knows through practice. So confidence comes from practice. If you are not confident, if I am not confident, I know that heaven is trying to help me by making me not losing my faith. I think if we use fear, shame, afraid as our guardian angel, as the way to guide our intuition, as something to help us, we can improve ourselves big time. And that is the true purpose of what I want to say. Whenever you are not confident, there is a reason. The reason is you are not good enough. The reason is heaven wants you to improve. Heaven wants you to be more successful. So heaven puts this fear in front of you so that you know you need to work on it. Do I make any sense? So fear, shame is our guardian angel. It makes us better. Whenever we have lack of confidence, be grateful and say thank you to heaven, and use it as a reason to improve. Use it as the force of motivation, and that is the true meaning of not being confident. That is the true result of gaining confidence. Do I make any sense? Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye, friend.